Sunday, of course, just 2 days away, we asked the Southern Nevada Health District to weigh in about religious services which are being planned. They held a media availability to address a variety of issues surrounding COVID-19. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy attended and now has more.
A medical investigator says the Southern Nevada Health District doesn't have enough investigators to interview COVID-19 patients, and that's why some data is slowly being reported or missing, and they're working to move to more electronic communication. We also learned from the health district today the number of positive cases is growing exponentially, but the rate of growth is starting to slow down. The number of patients who require intubation, meaning assistance with breathing, is growing, so they expect the need for ventilators to grow. One model predicts a peak in Nevada on April 17th, that's next Friday, but different models show different dates. It is difficult to rely on the models. What they're analyzing, how the governor's stay-at-home order, schools closing, and social distancing could be affecting the numbers. I asked if they are concerned about any Easter services being held, including drive-up services. As we've reported, some faith-based organizations say they're going to hold them.
As I understand it from different faith-based organizations, still have to abide by the same restrictions as other organizations. And if there are drive-by services and things like that, I mean, the most important thing is that people are still maintaining that social distance. So hopefully any of these services that occur, that people are still taking those precautions, and hopefully they're more sort of televised services and things like that. What we really want to just avoid is having any situation where there are a bunch of people congregating very closely together. If you have any situation like that, then there's certainly the conditions are ripe for the disease to spread.
Metro is they're enforcing the governor's regulation or directive to stay at home, and if you're in the public, you must have a face mask.
I also checked with Metro Police. A spokesman says they are working with faith-based organizations to remind them of the measures put in place to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus. He also says they will respond to calls for service and deal with this on a case-by-case basis. Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.